Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to that channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are looking to print some photos at home, or more importantly, you're looking to make some really cool stickers. Maybe you're looking to make stickers for your friend, maybe for your business, or just for that PTA, because this device is going to be able to do all of that. So this was sent over by a company called Liene, and this is their PixCut S1, basically sticker printing or photo printing series here. The model is the P700. Now you're going to get everything you need right out of the box. You're going to get the instructions that tell you how to utilize it. Very simple. You're going to get the little power cord here. This is what gives it power. And then you're going to get plenty of paper here. So you're going to get basically 18 sheets of 4x6 photo paper. And then you're going to get 18 sheets of 4x7 sticker paper. Now, one of the cool things about this is how you're going to operate it. You can hook it up to a computer, but I like to utilize the app. It connects to the app via Bluetooth. Go ahead and import whatever your photos are or your stickers, make your own little design. And then it has a nice little itty bitty razor blade in there, and it's going to be able to cut out. So you don't have to get the scissors and make those janky cuts. This is going to be able to do that for you, so it looks nice and professional. Now, as far as the printing quality, great resolution. Now, I don't use any third-party brand paper. They may be out there. As long as they're the same size, I don't see an issue of that. But these work really, really well, and it's because this thing does 300 DPI quality, and it has 1,208 thermal dots as far as on the print head. Now, the print head itself, obviously it's going to be easy to install. It just goes on the side here, and it just slides in place. And you'll also see the USB-C connection and where your power cord connection. On the other side is going to be your power button, and then the black part, this is where it will come out and print out for you. That's where you'll retrieve your paper. The black part attaches via just a magnet. If you do ever need to change out the blade, it's very easy to change out. You can always get a spare blade if you wish. You can go ahead and remove that. Now, how you load the paper is on the other side. There is, once again, a little door. Go ahead and just pull that down. Everything's held with a magnet. And then there is a little kind of slider. Go ahead and pull that out, and then you can go ahead and load it with your paper. And then there is also a little blue tab that you can go ahead and position, whether it is 4x6 or 4x7. It doesn't do the other sizes outside of that, but very, very easy to load, very, very easy to utilize. Now, as far as that Bluetooth connection, you can connect it to multiple devices. So if you do want to have this connected on a tablet, a phone, or multiple phones, you can do that. So you can basically, multiple people can utilize this, or a team can utilize it. Basically, the app that's utilizing, very easy. It is just the name, the Liene Photo app, and it's going to have everything in there that you need to get going, which is absolutely great. Now, as far as the ink cartridge itself, it is going to be able to hand 36 prints, essentially. Give or take, depending on how full those sheets are, but it's going to be able to hold about that much. So when you get the kit, it's going to easily be able to go through everything you have right off the bat before you have to get refills. And it doesn't take up a lot of square footage or anything like that. As far as the size of the device, it is sitting at about 11 inches in depth here, about 7 3/4 inches wide, and only 4 inches in height. So it's easy to tuck on a shelf or anything like that when setting up and connecting to it. But overall, like I said, if you're looking to make some really cool stickers or maybe print some own of your photos at home, this device is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.